Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 225 for Monday, 1st of June 2026. We're back after a few weeks away. I was up in the Highlands of Scotland, driving around there, and of course, then we had the Whitsun holiday here. I hope you are all well. I hope you've enjoyed a good couple of weeks. I hope you're ready for the start of a new month and what undoubtedly will be another interesting week and an interesting month and an interesting quarter in an interesting year. Um, if you're joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you over the next 25 to 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX indices and commodities markets, taking a look at a few charts of interest that you might want to add to your watch list, and then having a look at live markets. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It is just me sharing with you what I'm looking at the moment, which might be of relevance or of interest to yourselves. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you want a little bit more deeper help and support in your own trading, you can join the VTP Trader Accountability Group, which is all about building discipline, accountability, and consistency in your trading business. You can use that QR code there, okay, or as the bit.ly code there, or just ping me if you've got any questions about joining us for that. But we do have a few earnings, okay, included all the geopolitical news and also the central bankers news. As there are a fair few companies, okay, who've got their earnings this week. One of them being Broadcom, okay, AVGO is the ticker. And it's not unsurprisingly, okay, they have been a beneficiary of the AI infrastructure boom through networking, custom chips, data center demand. All right, their VMware integration, it continues to be watched closely, all right, by techies, not by me, I might add, but to see, if there's synergy and profitability, they can bring that. Not unsurprisingly, they're exposed to kind of enterprise software and semiconductor exposure. That gives them some diversification, so long as those themes continue to be, darlings of the overall market. So, for this year, just keep an eye on any AI related capital expenditure trends. Okay, that remains the key driver. Or any signs of slowing data spend, that's what would affect the sentiment here. But once again, all right, it's been a fantastic weekly trend. Once again, all right, really working nicely off the 50 period moving average. We can see, we've worked its way to those highs there at new all-time highs, and they're reporting Wednesday after the close. Okay, so it's looking healthy there at the moment, and people will want to see if the earnings just support that. But that has been quite some move, and just another great example of understanding good themes and being able to buy off the pullbacks to in this case 50 period moving average. Nice and simple.